we're going to be touring the home page of signtribe.com. When you scroll down, you'll see that we offer several different services on our website, including videos about special needs topics and how to teach sign language, lessons which are organized showing you how to communicate new words and phrases, video cards which have vocabulary words on there, and also live workshops 1 to 2 times a month with members. Those workshops are also recorded and posted to the website so you can go back and review or watch any that you may have missed. I do add new video cards and lessons and special needs videos and also the recordings of the live workshops every month, so you're getting brand new content each and every month by the first of the month. So you can always go and learn something new. To join Sign Tribe, it's just $10 a month, no commitment. $10 is all you're going to pay every month on your billing cycle. On the home page of the website, you will see that there is another video here.
My name is Luann Saylor.
This video is
the
also
website.
A tour of the website in its entirety.
So notice that I can accommodate to learning needs
and showing you each and every component of the website as well. So make sure that you click on the link and check out signtribe.com.